food and helpers in the environment. How climate and geography change our food. The types of plants we see in a region depend on the soil type available. For example, cotton plants grow well in black soil and it also depends on the climate of the region. Apples, for instance, grow well in cool mountain areas. Depending on these factors, the availability of food in different regions of Bharat varies. In the hot and humid south, rice is a favorite because it grows well. Up north, where it is cold in winter and hot in summer, wheat is chosen in the cold months and rice in the hot ones. Dispersion of seeds. We know that animals like squirrels and birds, such as sparrows, eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. Sometimes, when these animals carry the seeds, they drop them on the land, and later, new plants start growing. This process is known as seed dispersal. Humans also play a role. Seeds can stick to our clothes, and we might unknowingly carry them to new places. Humans intentionally plant seeds in gardens, and dandelions floating in the air are another way plants spread their seeds. This helps plants move from one place to another and grow in new areas. The more plants there are, the greener and healthier the environment becomes. Therefore, seed dispersal is an important process for plants to create more and more trees. Indigenous knowledge of forest sources. There are people who have lived in the forest for generations. Their elders have passed down knowledge about the forest through the years, and we call this indigenous knowledge of the forest. The people living in the forest know many things. They can identify medicinal plants and their benefits. They can tell which plants are safe to eat and which are dangerous. They also know the appropriate times for sowing and harvesting. It's not just about plants. These people also know about the different animals in the forest, where they live, what they eat, and other characteristics. The aim of these people is to protect the forest for present and future generations. So they teach other people on how to use forest resources without harming them. So we can call the communities living in forest as forest protectors. Food for all. Food is an important part of our lives. Not everyone has the same amount of food. So, when you eat too much or throw food away, it is like wasting food that someone else, who is hungry, could have eaten. Sharing food is really important to make the world healthier and happier. Also, we should try to eat local food rather than imported ones. Farmers have been growing those foods in those regions for a very long time. Let's revise. The types of plants we see in a region depend on the soil type available. The types of plants we see in a region also depends on the climate of the region. Dispersion of seeds. When animals like squirrels or birds carry seeds, they drop them. Later, new plants start growing. This process is known as seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is an important process for plants to create more and more trees. People of the forests have passed down knowledge about the forest through the years. We call this indigenous knowledge of the forest. Food is an important part of our lives. We should not waste food. Sharing food is really important to make the world healthier and happier. We should try to eat local food rather than the imported one.